Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the patient list feature, showing you how to easily navigate it from registering new patients to editing the information, handling data consent, and even managing archived records. First, let's register a new patient. By clicking on the patient list, in the main menu, you'll get to see all the active patients in your facility. To add a new patient, we'll click on the new registration button on our top right. On click, we're going to see categorized patient details from the personal details, patient identification, physical address, and the next of kin. So I'll go straight forward in filling these details. For a patient who's underage, the next of kin section is necessary. And for the rest of the patients, only the starred inputs are compulsory. I'll just take a minute to finish filling in the patient's credentials so that you can save our patients and move on to editing the patient information. Once done, click on the Save Changes button and the information will be updated. We'll head back to the patient list, and the first patient that you see will be the patient that we recorded, and on the right you'll get to see an action bar that will allow you to edit the patient's information. Once you click on edit, you'll get to see a banner that will appear at the top of the screen. This will require you to confirm the patient's consent to have their medical information recorded by getting their consent. So I'll quickly change any information here and then go back to the patient list and confirm the data consent. On the patient list, you'll get to see the patient's accordion, and we'll open that, and on there you'll get to see that the data consent is recorded as pending. So we'll have to click on the data consent, tick in the checkboxes that are applicable, and then enter the OTP that will be sent to the patient. And once that is done, the confirm and save button will become active for us to confirm. That's mainly it for the data consent section. Let's move on to encounter history. For encounter history, you'll just click on the action bar again for the same patient, and you'll get to see the encounter history option. On click, after the patient information, you'll get to see encounters. We have the total number of encounters that are closed and open, and when you scroll, you'll see all the encounter summaries. That's basically it for that section. Next, I'll show you how to archive a patient and also restore the same patient. We'll go back to the patient list, and on the action bar, we'll click on the edit patient information. On there, you'll see the archive button. Once you click on it, a pop-up module will show up asking you to confirm if you want to archive the patient. Once you confirm, just click on the archive button and the patient will be archived. To retrieve the same patient, we'll go to the search bar and search for the patient that we just archived. On search, you'll see that the patient is identified as archived. Click on the patient and restore the patient. Yes, so that's it technically for the patient listing. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Stay tuned for more insights on how to maximize the HMIS.